Method 1. Mango seed in water germination. First, buy a ripe mango and take out its pit. We generally call the pit a seed, however, the actual seed is inside. You may dry the seed for a day, but not essential. The fresh seeds will germinate quickly. The older seeds take longer to root, or may not germinate at all. Open the side of the pit slightly using a knife or screwdriver. No need to completely remove the outer husk. Now take a cup and pour some clean water in it. Place the seed flat in cup. Ensure that the water just touches the lower half of the seed. This provides humidity needed for seed germination. Place the cup away from direct sunlight, but at a warm place. The seed needs a temperature between 18 to 40 degrees Celsius to germinate. You can place the cup indoors at a warm place like near fridge if outside temperature is not in this range. Change the water every 3 to 4 days. To prevent rot and mold, you will seed sprouting starting into 2 to 4 weeks depending on temperature. Look, the seed has started to sprout in 29 days. A tiny leaf is already forming. Once the sprouting starts, the process becomes quite fast. In next 2 days, the leaf has grown further. After another 4 days, many leaves have grown. The seed has also grown strong roots in water. The seed is now ready for planting in soil. To prepare soil, mix some cow manure and river sand in garden soil. The manure makes the soil rich in nutrition, and the sand makes it free draining, so the seed does not rot. Fill the pot with this soil mixture and plant the germinated seed. Keep the soil damp. Allow only morning sunlight for 1 week. Then move the pot where it can receive sunlight for 6 hours or more. Method 2. Mango seed germination in paper towel. For this method, remove the husk and take out the seed from the pit. Now take a kitchen paper towel and wrap the seed inside it. Spray water to dampen the wrapped seed and enclose in a box. Place the box in shade at a warm place, ideally at a temperature between 18 to 40 degrees Celsius to germinate. You may place the box indoor, at a warm place like near the fridge. Open the box every 4 to 5 days, and spray some water on seed if it is dry. Change the paper if it becomes black. The seed will germinate in 3 to 4 weeks. After 35 days, the seed has started to germinate, but yet no leaves and roots have grown. Now plant this seed in soil. And place the pot in morning sun. Keep the soil damp. The plant grew leaves in 15 days. The seed and water develop leaves and strong roots in 35 days, whereas the paper towel seed just germinated. No leaves and no roots. In the water germination method, you can see the progress of germination. So the mango seed in water grows, the seedling faster than the paper towel method. The water-grown tree grows much faster than the paper towel one in the same time. This is how you can turn your mango pit into a plant. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Check next how to prevent mango flowers and fruits from falling prematurely. Thanks for watching.